Hey there, what are today's messages and quotes? Which one? I forgive myself for the times I used people, alcohol, or other destructive behaviors to avoid the pain I felt within. Have you ever done that? The fears we don't face become our limits. Jim Quick. Beautiful souls recognize beautiful souls. Keep being genuine. Your people will find you. When God gives you a new beginning, don't repeat the old mistakes. Share your stories because your stories can be life lessons for others. Where there is anger, there is always pain underneath. Eckhart Tolle. Can you accept change and allow the new in? Lee Harris. And the last one today. Touch me with your mind in places hands could never reach. C.W. Poet. Thanks for stopping by.